Good morning. Any day, anytime, I name Papa Jojo for Top Channel 195, Wazobia TV, StarTime Satellite. Meanwhile, when I actually do on a two-side don't say so we take out for Top Wazobia Fitness, but man, we just waste on a time. This morning, usually as we go, we start with the stretches. So we'll go like that. High level stretch now they take go this morning. Meanwhile, when I go, the normal grassroots stretch level 1, 2. See the way I put my leg now, so you need to put them in, make sure so you follow up well with your count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. You need to follow up to the other side. You come take her out like this. 1, 2. You will go down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. My people when they watch us for Nigeria and Obodo the world, you'll see say, the way I cross my leg, it dey crossable together. But if one try to stretch go down, it will dey somehow difficult. But you still need to follow up the way they go there. Make you try am. Or you might say no pain, no gain. So you need to enjoy the pain as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Meanwhile, you need to make her up to the other side. See the way I put my leg. See my hand. Everything dey tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. You cross turn. Your hand will be straight. You go down like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Don't forget initially, as I don't tell you from the beginning, say now stretch. And meanwhile, if your stretch don't come up, how you go take it jump up or how you fit a move. So you need to stretch. Just stretch is just it take closer to your warm up. Now so you flow. See my leg. See everything. 1. The stretch they go higher. Little by little now they go high. 1, 2. See the back leg. 3. And you're going to follow with your count. 4. You see the way I put my leg, my people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world where we go. So see the front leg as it stand. 6, 7, then 8. Now see this one as you go. 1. You see now part of your strength. 2. See my hand for up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you take them back to the normal way we did. Then see my hand. Everything will click together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not be the count or the way you stand matter, but the way you put everything right to make sure say it give you the main thing cocoa we want for your stretch. Then see my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Meanwhile, see the way I go balance up now. See this one. You go open up tight. Then you go like this. 1. See my hand. See the down, the lower hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. You come back to the same way again. Then you turn. You go like that. See. See, I see my leg. See my hand. My people for Obodo Nigeria. You need to feel loud. Where we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now my people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world when I watch us, you'll see say like I sit down, I bend my knee. But this time around you go push your back small. Then your hand go this sideways stretch out. This one, all this one are part of your stretch the way you still take on as you go like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Meanwhile, my people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world, also me just do anyhow, but you need to do it in the proper way. We say you feel and say yes, the stretches you take on tight. Now see my leg. If you look the knee, it push go back. So you need to turn now, make go. My people for Obodo Nigeria, I really want to appreciate that this morning as we go on. But meanwhile, when I make it, I'm not forgetting that Papa Jojo, now they take on this fitness section for Top Channel 195 Wazobia TV, StarTime Satellite. But before me, I will pack my load, and even before I will come up for inside team, they tell and say bye-bye. Meanwhile, I want to let plan so we need to finish with it, we don't start. So on the other side now, I will go with our count. 1, 2, see my hand, 3, 4, follow your count, 5, 6, 7, then 8, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Another segment where we take and go like that straight away. Now your balance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.